Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to Building Your Path to Success. On this channel, I like to share a lot of information in short periods of time for both high school and college students to help them build a meaningful, impactful resume, essentially allowing them to separate themselves from the pack. If you like this type of information, please remember to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as the next video comes out. Today, we're going to be talking about the Louisiana University Marine Consortium, REU, for the summer of 2024. And if you know me, you know that I am the biggest fan of REUs. So in this video, we're going to do an overview of the program, who the program is for, when you should apply, benefits and expectations of this particular REU, and what's needed to apply. So let's jump right into it. And since this is an REU, I'd like to take a few minutes just to talk about what is an REU. In general, an REU is a research experience for undergraduate students. The site, which could be a school or some type of institution or museum, consists of a group of about 10 to 12 undergraduate students who work in the research programs of that host institution, as well as having a mentor to help them with their research project that they will be doing for 8 to 10 weeks. Students are granted stipends and in many cases assisted with housing and travel. So that's big. A lot of places don't offer all of that. In general, again, REUs, they get hands-on, highly qualified research experiences, weekly seminars, information on career goals, and again, research projects. This particular REU, this program is mainly focused on interdisciplinary research experiences in the changing coastal environments in Louisiana. So they're going to be seeing, what's changing in the environment. And then this can include things from um, biogeochemistry, habitat forming species, ecosystems, behavioral ecology, wetland science, invertebrate diversity, and ecology. And it goes on and on. This is going to be a 10-week program, and it will go from June 3rd until August 9th of 2024. Who is this program for? Again, it's for undergraduate students majoring in environmental science, engineering, geology, biology, physics, or mathematics. And then they'll be able to see how their particular program interacts with the changing coastal environments. You must be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. And I know a lot of people say, well, why is that? Most funding comes from the federal government, and that's why you have to be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident to participate. This program is different than a lot of other REUs. Most REUs are looking for students who are coming from a 4-year college or university. This particular REU, you could be enrolled at a 2 or a 4-year college or university. And with just like all other REUs, fall after the summer, so fall of 2024, you must be enrolled as a full-time undergraduate student at your college. So you have to be returning back to school. With this particular REU, you're going to get a $6,000 stipend. Stipend is money, almost like being paid for, but it comes out of a grant. A lot of people say, I want to go to work, but you will get money with a stipend. You're going to be paid because remember, with an REU, you're working 35, 40 hours a week in the labs. This REU also has free housing and meals, and partial funding is available to cover your travel expenses. So you're going to have hands-on experience, $6,000 they'll be paid to you, free housing, free meals. That's a big deal. Remember, for every science class you take in college, you usually have about 1 hour lab. So if you're in a 13, 15 week, that's 13 to 15 weeks of hours of lab work. Here, you're back to 35 to 40 hours of lab, so you'll be able to strengthen your foundation in your area of expertise and have an opportunity to present your information, your research information at the end. The deadline for this REU is March 1st of 2024. Now, the application is online, so you must have a completed application. They're going to be looking for unofficial copies of your transcripts for all colleges and universities that you have attended. They're going to need your contact information for 2 references. Remember to talk to the professors. And remember, your references should be people who are going to back up your science and or math expertise, skills, and what you have done thus far. You need a CV or a resume, and they're going to have you write a 1-page statement. So those 2 letters of recommendations are going to come from the professor's contact information that you give them. They're going to send out information to those professors so that they can upload their letters directly. Again, there's a lot of good benefits for this particular one: housing, research, travel money, and a good stipend. So if you apply, let me know. If all this information will be in the description below. And if you apply, let me know. Apply to as many of these as you can. And good luck to everyone. Until next time.